This is probably one of the most fancy, most practical, and the highest build quality portable air compressors I've ever seen. Let me show you why. Hi guys, I'm Victor, welcome to my DIY Time channel. Today we're reviewing Fanttik X8 Apex air inflator. Gotta tell you, this gadget struck me right out of the box. The packaging looks really nice, but once I took out the air inflator itself, I was absolutely impressed with the build quality. It is definitely top-notch, highest quality you can find out there, in my opinion. In the bag, you're also gonna find the air tube with the Schrader valve, Schrader to Presta valve adapter, needle adapter, the charging cable, and the storage bag. The storage bag is also really well made from this soft, high-quality material. And it's got the separate compartment for all of the adapters to keep the things neatly organized inside your car. The air compressor is pretty easy to use and understand. It's got a really big and bright display with all of the necessary information right there. You've got your battery charge level. Then it shows the current reading for the air pressure, and on the bottom you've got the desired air pressure. With the press of a button you can choose one of 4 presets for a car, motorcycle, bicycle or ball. Or if you don't want to use a preset, you can turn them off and use a plus and minus button to set desired air pressure value. And then simply attach the hose to inflate the tire, for example. Press the start button and wait for a few minutes. It will automatically shut off when the correct air pressure value is reached. And you're done. It's that simple. On a full charge, this air compressor can inflate up to 6 car tires, 13 motorcycle tires, 26 bike tires, and up to 50 balls. Also, I was curious to see what happens if the battery dies completely, whether or not you can plug it into your car and still use it. It actually didn't work. You still have to charge it at least a little bit before you can start using the air compressor, which is really not a big deal. If you're in a pinch and the battery is fully discharged, you only need about 10 minutes and then it's going to be ready to inflate the tire for you. One of the best features of this portable air compressor is that you don't have to mess with the wires, plug them in, and then run around the car to get it to work, like with many other regular air compressors. It's super light, portable, and convenient to use. The only downside, you have to make sure you always have it charged. Otherwise, you may not have it ready when you need it the most. There's also a built-in flashlight that could be very helpful if you're stranded in the middle of nowhere at night trying to inflate your tire. It got 2 modes, always on or flashing mode. In addition, because this is technically just an air compressor with a big battery, you can use it as a power bank and charge your devices such as phone, tablet, or anything else. Another place where this air pump really shines is when using it for sport activities. You can take it to the beach, when playing volleyball, to the soccer field, on the bike ride. You can even take it camping with you to charge your gadgets, and you can also light up your tent with a built-in flashlight. The price for this tool may vary from time to time because of different discounts and sales in effect. And if you're interested, you can check out the most current price down at the link in the description area below. And I'm also going to try to find and include the coupon code for this product in there as well. So as you can see, this is very easy to use, fancy, high build quality, practical and portable air compressor. And it's probably one of the best in its class out there. I hope you found this video review helpful, and if you have any questions, let me know. Post them down in the comments section below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.